Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel where we simplify software and tech so you can get the most out of the tools that power your world. In today's video, we are diving into a powerful digital transformation tool that's reshaping industries, which is Honeywell Forge. Whether you're in manufacturing, energy, aviation, or even commercial real estate, Honeywell Forge brings data and operations together through the Internet of Things, or IoT, helping companies work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. So, we will explore how Honeywell Forge works, what makes it different from other platforms, and how it delivers real-time insights across your entire enterprise all in one place. So let's begin. First of all, visit the official website, which is going to be honeywell.com. And from here, there's going to be an option for you to contact. You may notice that Honeywell does not offer the publicly about their pricing. Instead, you need to get in touch with the sales. All right. You can go to the help and support, home products, and support center. All right. So if you click on the contact us option, you'll be forwarded here. One of the sales professional will schedule a discovery call so that they would know how they can offer a tailored fit solutions depending on your business needs. All right. But if you don't want that, you want to skip all of that and just you wanted to know more about Honeywell Forge by just going to the main homepage, we can do that. We can also go to the option of not providing any information or details online if you're not comfortable or you're not up to it. You would notice on the Honeywell, it has solutions, industries, customers, company, news and media, and careers that we can take a look at. For example, if we go to the solutions, you would notice that. Now, let's talk about the automation. Basically, Honeywell focuses on digitizing and automating industrial processes using software, sensors, and AI. Honeywell Forge helps industries like manufacturing, oil and gas, and chemicals increase efficiency, reducing downtime, and improve safety by automating routine tasks and, of course, optimizing operations. Of course, if you go to the energy transition, it highlights how Honeywell Forge supports companies in their shift to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources. The goal is to help industrial clients reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining efficiency and profitability. You see, there's going to be an option here to download the white paper. If you do, you'll be forwarded to a new page. Just provide all the information needed and you'll be able to download the white paper absolutely at no cost. All right. So if you go to the future of aviation, it highlights how Honeywell Forge supports companies in their shift to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources. The goal is to help industrial clients reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining efficiency and profitability. All right. Let's not forget these are carbon capture and storage, hydrogen production and usage, sustainable energy management systems focusing on these areas. Now, if we go to the Honeywell Forge, all right, basically that's going to be the core platform. And it's a unified enterprise performance management or EPM software platform connecting operational data from equipment, systems, and workers to deliver and drive smarter decisions across an organization. The thing is, it has asset performance. You see, there's going to be the Honeywell Forge Digital Services, Honeywell Forge Applications, and of course, Honeywell Forge AI Engine. If you click the plus button here, you would notice that this augments in-house capabilities, and this one gives you an operation software including AI-enabled solutions, and of course, this gives you a rapid deployment of AI across enterprise, allowing organizations to intelligently automate processes and unlock insights. Of course, we're going to go to the OT cybersecurity. So, the operational technology or OT cybersecurity within Honeywell Forge focuses on protecting industrial systems like SCADA, PLCs, and DCs from cyber threats. These systems often control critical infrastructure and can afford downtime. You can have threat detection and response for OT networks, of course, compliance with standards like NIST or ISA or IEC by connecting with an expert so that you can have a vulnerability management, network segmentation, and visibility by providing all of the information needed here. And then last here is going to be the our products. All right, this is going to be the full product suite of solutions across industries and verticals here in Honeywell Forge. All right, so these are going to be for building automation, aerospace technologies, automation. So basically, these are going to be actual software products, tools, and platforms for purchase or integration. For example, it's going to be a Forge APM, workforce productivity, Forge industrial analytics, and Forge for buildings. All right. Now, if you go to the section for industries, you would notice that these are going to be what Honeywell do for aerospace, commercial buildings, all right, data centers, healthcare, life sciences, manufacturing, oil and gas, retail, utilities, warehouse, and logistics. So these are some of the sections that Honeywell provides, or the use cases. For customers, these are going to be some of the Honeywell customer stories that you might want to read into so that you can get more confidence working with Honeywell Forge. All right. And of course, let's not forget the news and media. So these are some of the resources that you can look into if you wanted to get to know more about Honeywell and how it can offer a tailored fit solution to your business needs. There are press releases and media right here. You can search for it. There's a lot. It's sorted by date, and the last being the Honeywell reports first quarter results. If you do click on it, you'll get insights from the financial, quarterly dividend from Honeywell, all right, financial and investor, and a lot more. And then, of course, there's going to be the podcast, which I like. So you can listen to the Honeywell's podcast available on these platforms, all right? Apple Podcasts, Spotify, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, Google Podcast, and Stitcher. The good thing is that they offer, it's free, by the way. For example, the feature is flying above street traffic. I've heard this podcast. All right, all I got to do is click on the play button. It's free, by the way, absolutely at no cost, right here. All right, and with that being said, that wraps up our dive into Honeywell Forge, the powerful cross-industry IoT platform that's reshaping how enterprise operate from manufacturing and energy to aviation and, of course, commercial real estate. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.